Welcome to Startup Sparks. Today, we're diving into the incredible story of Jason Citron, the man behind Discord, the platform that changed the way gamers and communities connect. What started as a simple chat app for gamers has evolved into a global communication tool used by millions. Let's break down how Discord became a tech giant. Jason Citron's early life and passion for gaming. Jason Citron was born in 1985, and like many tech entrepreneurs, he had a deep passion for video games from an early age. He studied computer science and quickly developed an interest in game development. This love for gaming would later inspire his biggest creation, Discord. Before Discord, Jason Citron's first startup. Before Discord, Citron founded OpenFight, a mobile gaming social platform that allowed players to connect and compete with friends. It became hugely popular, and in 2011, he sold it to a Japanese company for $104 million. But instead of retiring, Citron took that success and aimed even higher. He wanted to solve a major problem for gamers. The birth of Discord, solving the gamer communication problem. In the early 2010s, gamers faced a big problem. Voice and text chat for multiplayer games was outdated and frustrating. Platforms like Skype and TeamSpeak were unreliable, laggy, and hard to use. Citron saw an opportunity to create a simple, high-quality communication tool designed specifically for gaming communities. In 2015, Discord was born. It combined voice, video, and text chat in an easy-to-use interface, allowing gamers to create their own servers, invite friends, and chat seamlessly while playing. Discord's explosive growth, more than just for gamers. At first, Discord spread through word of mouth in gaming communities. Twitch streamers, esports teams, and casual gamers all started using it. But soon, something unexpected happened. Non-gaming communities, including tech groups, study clubs, and even companies, started using Discord as well. By 2020, the platform had over 100 million monthly active users. And it wasn't just gamers. Discord had become a social hub for all kinds of communities. How Discord makes money. A unique business model. Unlike many social media platforms, Discord doesn't rely on ads to make money. Instead, it introduced Discord Nitro, a subscription service that offers perks like higher quality streaming, custom emojis, and larger file uploads. This user-friendly model helped Discord stay ad-free while still making millions in revenue. Challenges along the way. Safety and competition. Of course, growing at such a rapid pace came with its challenges. Discord faced issues with content moderation, as some servers became hubs for harmful discussions. To address this, Discord introduced better moderation tools and AI-powered safety features. Meanwhile, competitors like Slack and Microsoft Teams started targeting Discord's audience by improving their own platforms. But Discord's loyal user base and focus on community kept it ahead of the game. Discord's future, where is it headed next? Today, Discord is valued at over $15 billion and continues to evolve beyond gaming. It's expanding into education, work collaboration, and even hosting virtual events. Jason Citron's vision is to make Discord the best place for anyone to talk and hang out online, no matter their interests. With ongoing innovations like AI-driven features, improved integrations, and even potential IPO plans, the future of Discord looks incredibly bright. Conclusion: the legacy of Jason Citron and Discord. Jason Citron's journey from a passionate gamer to the CEO of one of the world's most popular communication platforms is a true startup success story. Discord has transformed how people connect online, and with its continuous growth, it's clear that the platform is here to stay. Are you a Discord user? Let us know your favorite Discord feature in the comments. And if you enjoyed this story, make sure to subscribe to Startup Sparks for more inspiring startup stories. See you in the next episode.